Hello guys, do you want to get the OME TV app back on Android? Right now, you can't find OME TV on the Play Store. If you open the Play Store and search for it, the app won't show up. Instead, you will see an app called MiniChat. MiniChat and OME TV are actually the same app, and they both run on the same server. That means if your friend is using OME TV and you are using MiniChat, you can still meet and chat with each other because you are connected to the same server. Just tap on MiniChat and install it. After installing, open the app and you will see the login options. I am going to log in using my Google account. Once you are logged in, you will notice that the interface looks just like OmeTV. You can also select countries the same way you do on OmeTV. As I mentioned earlier, both apps works on the same server. Try this yourself and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.